Yeah, hi everyone. This is Abdullah. So today we are going to see about how to create the custom role in Oracle Fusion. So create a custom role in Oracle Fusion. So what is the purpose we are creating this custom role? So for every duty role is come under the custom role. What is mean by duty role? So duty role, as we already discussed, like if any restriction want to give to the employee, suppose if you are working in account payable team, so you cannot see all the transaction in account payable form. So in this account payable you can only access and view the invoice or any payment. So for particular restriction, if needed means we can use this duty role. It's like a to perform particular task only. For only particular task and the transaction, if you want to restrict for some user, you can use this custom role. So let me go into the system and see the customs role. You just log into the Fusion applications, go to tools, and here security console will be there. You just click this. So if you want to give any of the custom role, you can copy from the job roles. So if you take a job role, you can have all the access and the privileges in that user. So you can copy from the job user to your custom roles. Okay. Suppose I'm just taking inventory manager. So this role is standard role which Oracle provided. So this role has all the privileges. So what you have to do is you just go to here icon and click this, and you can see the copy role. You just copy, just click the copy role. Just keep as a copy top role. Okay. So this name will be automatically changed from the original name to custom name. See here, inventory manager customs is there. So all the predefined rule will be start as a ORA. So here you can see the different name. So you can also edit and change your own. I mean, change the name as per the business requirement. I'm just giving test test custom role. Just leave code as it is. So in this description you can see like in manage activities in the warehouse such as managing inventory transaction, planning inventory replacement, and manage cycle and physical inventory count. So what I'm going to restrict the employees, so this employee should only able to do the manage cycle count. So this person can only do the transaction for cycle count and the physical inventory count in the inventory transaction. So in the warehouse, he can only perform these two activities. Rest of them will be I'm going to restrict this user. So this user can't even work with this transaction. So once we enter the role name, just click the next button. Here you can able to see the all the privileges. So this user, these roles, what and all actions and what and all privileges this user can do. This user can do the supply request, on hand values, and agent chart. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all the privileges. So you have to make sure you have to copy the original role. Okay, go to next. So here it's a data security process. Just leave for now. We will see later. So here role hierarchy. So here for this, so this user can do all the transaction here. So as we discussed, this user should only able to do physical count and a cycle count.